What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on XELA stock. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamentals of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from Webull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that we were quite bearish because we have this decline from all-time high to this point. Then we had some good news. We retest this resistance line. As you can see, we poke it through, but unfortunately we haven't closed this candle above this line. This means we remain still very bearish, and I've told you from this point we might see even lower price action, and basically it happened. From this point to the lowest point, the decline was for about 27.45%. And for now we are hovering exactly at the same price point where we were previously on my previous video. So I think this massive spike in price for about 57% from the lowest point to the highest point is not so significant because we don't have much volume with this price movement, and because of this, because of the lack of volume, I cannot count on this price action as a primary wave to the upside. This means we have to be extremely cautious with this ticker. So let's continue with their fundamentals. First of all, let's start with the company profile. Exela Technologies provides transaction processing solutions, enterprise information management, document management, and digital business process service worldwide. The company operates through 3 segments: information and transaction processing solutions, healthcare solutions, and legal and loss prevention services. And for now, its total market cap is $168.11 million. It is quite small company, I have to say. They have a revenue of $1.23 billion with a negative net income of $205.06 million. They have a negative revenue growth of 19.45%, and it is also not a good sign for this company. They have a total cash position of $22.05 million with a total debt of $1.63 billion, and it is the main concern about this company. And that's why their current ratio is not so good. I have to say it's rather bad, of 0.69 points. And you have to keep this in mind. So from the financial standpoint, it is not the best company, but they have a rather good business model. Unfortunately, it's not so profitable for now, and we can see it with their financials. But they have very good revenue, and the revenue is $1.23 billion. If they can turn this revenue into profits, into net income, this means that this company might have very bright future. But so far we don't have major news, and since I made my previous video, we have only 2 recent press releases. The latest one was made on July 30th, and it's titled Exela Technologies to host second quarter 2021 financial results conference call. Exela, and the next one was published on July 27th. Exela Technologies reports strong SMB user growth with over 2x new signups. And let me pay your attention more thoroughly on this news. As you can see right here, DMR and DrySign delivered growth of 99% and 144% in their respective customer bases. International expansion continues with DMR launch in France and Germany planned for Q3 full year 2021. So they will launch this product on France and Germany, and this might also be a good sign for this company. But let me show you that this press release was published on July 27th. And let me show you the price action around July 27th. We don't have any major movements at all. Right here we have a sideways movement for several days, and only at the beginning of August we have this surge in price for about 38%. This means this news doesn't affect the price of this ticker. And this means we don't have enough fundamentals to prove this movement to the upside. And let me show you their institutional investors. Right here on fintel.io we have extremely bearish sentiment across institutional investors. Red rows indicate close positions, and as you can see we don't have any new positions at all, and this position is basically empty position. You cannot rely on this green row. So it is not so good from the fundamental standpoint, and let me show you this. This is the short volume ratio according to fintel.io, and I have to say that for now they use FINRA data, and this data uses the FINRA only short volume and total volume. This means we cannot rely on this ratio as the total short volume ratio of this company. Let me show you right here on finviz.com we have short float of 23.75%. And on top of that, if we compare, for example, with the Apple short volume ratio on finviz.com, it has only 0.58% of short float. And right here on fintel.io, it has 37.46% of short volume ratio. This means you cannot rely on FINRA data as the total short volume ratio, because it is nowhere near than that. So, and let me show you what is the reason of this price action. In my opinion, they still have a possibility to short squeeze, and I have to say that the recent movement was made by Wall Street Bets community. And right here on kivercon.com we have this data, and we don't have a XELA ticker right here among the most mentioned tickers. The first place for now is definitely the Hood ticker. It is a Robin Hood, and let me show you that for now the Hood ticker has more than 2,000 mentions, and the XELA ticker has only 11 mentions. This means this ticker is losing momentum even from Wall Street Bets community and from the retail investors. That's why we have this decline in price from the highest point to this point for about 12%. And what should you do if you want to try to catch the trade with this ticker? Basically, first of all, do your own due diligence, and you have to be extremely cautious. And the next one, follow my 3 simple rules. Do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Do not go all in, and do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And these 3 rules are extremely important with this type of volatile tickers. So, and what should we expect next? Basically, we have this line as our major resistance line, and on top of that we have this previous swing high as another resistance. And if we will break all these lines, and the volume will be significant, much higher than we can see right here at the bottom of the screen, this means we might have a next leg to the upside, and this means we might have something like this. If it is a first wave, this is the second one, this entire movement is the third one with the truncated fifth wave, this is the fourth, and we have to land the top of our fifth wave. And it is extremely bullish case. I don't think that we might play it, but still we have this possibility, and we might have the fifth wave, the top of our fifth wave, at the level of from $5.19 to, let me show it to you, to $8.27. But it is extremely bullish case, I have to say, and in my opinion we have more chances to go lower. We might hit this resistance and bounce back from it, or we might hit this green line as major resistance and bounce back from it. And if we break this bottom and this bottom line, let me mark it for you, this will indicate that we have more bearish steam than bullish, and this means we might go even lower. And that's why I don't encourage you to enter your position with this ticker, and this is just an informational video for you. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!